In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a workout plan in Trainerize. Whether you coach one client at a time or run multi-week programs, I'll show you 3 reliable ways to place workouts exactly where you need them. First, scheduling directly in a client's calendar. Sign in to the Trainerize web app, open clients, and select the client you want to program for. At the top of their profile, open calendar and click the date you want. Hit the plus button on that day, choose workout, then either pick a workout from your library or build a new one on the spot. If you like, set a time window such as morning, afternoon, or evening, or leave it unscheduled. Many coaches prefer that, so the client can complete it anytime that day. Click save, and the session appears on their calendar. Repeat for other days, and if you're laying out a pattern, you can quickly duplicate the week to speed things up and then tweak individual days as needed. Second, scheduling inside a program, which is the best approach for 4 to 12 or more weeks. From the left menu, open programs and either select an existing program or create a new one. Click Edit Program to open the weekly builder. Click a day, choose Add Workout, and select an existing workout or build a new one. Fill out the entire week. Many coaches like a structure such as Monday full body, Tuesday upper, Wednesday rest, Thursday lower, Friday hit, Saturday optional, and Sunday off. Once week 1 looks right, open the options menu next to week 1 and choose Duplicate Week. Duplicate as many weeks as you need, then make small adjustments for progressions. When you're done, save the program so it's ready to assign and delivers a consistent schedule to clients. Third, automate scheduling with automation or client journeys, ideal for online or self-paced offerings. From the left menu, open add-ons or growth tools and select automation or client journeys. Create a new workflow, then set a trigger such as a client purchasing a product, being added to your account, or being assigned to a program. Add an action like assign workout or assign program, and if helpful, insert delays, habits, or messages so content rolls out on your timeline. With these rules in place, workouts are scheduled automatically without you touching the calendar. That's it. 3 flexible ways to schedule workouts in Trainerize so your clients always know what to do and when.